Good morning and welcome to 7 at 7, your daily news capsule to get you clued in for the day. It's Thursday, the 7th of November, and I'm your host, Anirban Chaudhary. As the global impacts of Trump's comeback to the White House begin to show, here are your 7 pieces of news for the day. Number 1. Following Trump's win, US and European markets reacted with significant movements. In the US, the S&P 500 was up 2.5%, Nasdaq jumped 3%, and Dow soared 1,500 points. Investors anticipated potential deregulation and tax cuts that could benefit sectors like banking and energy. The dollar also strengthened against other major currencies, reflecting expectations of slower interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Oil and financial stocks surged, with companies like ExxonMobil and JP Morgan reaching record highs due to a favorable outlook for deregulation. European markets initially showed volatility, reflecting concerns over possible changes to the US-European trade policies. European stocks closed lower, reversing earlier gains. Bitcoin saw a record rally. It surged past $75,000, hitting record highs as markets anticipated a crypto-friendly stance from Trump's new administration. This rally is driven by expectations of deregulation in the US that could make the country a crypto hub. Indian markets rallied too, following Trump's election, led by gains in IT and export-focused stocks that may benefit from his policies. Investors believe Trump's presidency may offer strategic advantages for India, particularly as US-China trade tensions grow. Emerging market currencies, including the Indian rupee, however, slid to new lows as the US dollar surged. The RBI attempted to moderate the rupee's fall, but allowed it to reach a new low of 84.28 per USD. Gold prices took a significant dip, also attributed to the strengthened dollar. On to the most talked about listing this week. Swiggy's IPO saw a modest 12% subscription rate on the first day, with a significant portion taken up by retail investors and employees. With a valuation of around 95,000 crore, Swiggy's public offering aims to boost its quick commerce business Instamart. Institutional investors held back initially, likely waiting for the final day to place larger bids. Tata Steel has bounced back to profitability, posting a net profit of 759 crore in Q2 FY24 compared to 6,511 crore loss the previous year. Despite a challenging global environment, the company saw higher operating profit from its India operations, where volumes rose to 5.11 million tons. Revenue dipped slightly, largely due to lower commodity prices, but operating margins improved. Meanwhile, Tata Steel's UK operations faced losses of £147 million due to blast furnace decommissioning. Adani Enterprises has revised its FY25 capital expenditure down to 67,000 crore rupees from the initial forecast of 80,000 crore due to prolonged monsoon delays. This is the second capex adjustment this year, following an earlier reduction from a projected 92,000 crore rupees. The flagship company has already invested 15,000 crore rupees across various segments. It will spend 28,000 crore in new industries and 16,000 crore in airports. Debt for the company rose to 47,208 crore by September, up from 38,035 crore in March. India's government is exploring dedicated energy grids and nuclear power sources to support data centers to ensure stable and eco-friendly energy supplies. Nuclear power is being considered due to its ability to provide continuous power without carbon emissions. This initiative aligns with India's green energy goals, aiming to position the country as a sustainable data hub. That's it for today. Grab your copy of the Economic Times and log on to the website for more news and analysis. Do listen to 2 episodes of the Morning Brief today, a quick take on what Trump 2.0 means for India, and the digital arrest scam, the latest menace in cybercrime. Have a good remainder of the week.